Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. Just wanted to go over a little bit of like what we do within my division, which is the chromatography and mass spectrometry division, as it applies to solutions for chemical diversity. So we sell liquid chromatography and gas chromatography instruments, if you want to divide the two, in addition to trace elemental analysis instruments. So when we're talking about liquid chromatography, we have ion chromatography, HPLC, different types of detection, UV, fluorescence, charged aerosol detection, as well as mass spectrometry and inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, or ICP-MS. On the gas chromatography side, similar detection, as well as trace elemental analysis. So this chart here just kind of shows how do you decide which type of instrumentation you need. It really depends on the molecular mass and the polarity. When it comes to LC, we have the Vanquish line. We have on the far right, the Vanquish Neo, which is our system for nano LCMS or single cell. We have two varieties of UHPLC, which use smaller particle size, higher pressures, faster separation, less use of solvent. And we also have HPLC. As far as LCMS, we can kind of categorize the solutions we have into three categories. For quantitative, we have triple quad instruments. For high resolution accurate mass, we have two varieties of Orbitraps, the hybrid instruments, which is a quadrupole Orbitrap instrument, or the tribrid instrument, which is a quadrupole Orbitrap ion trap instrument. We have the new Thermo scientific Orbitrap astral mass spectrometer, which is designed for non-targeted analysis, very fast, very sensitive, very good for DIA single cell. That was just released this year at ASMS. The Astral allows for faster throughput, deeper coverage, higher sensitivity with accurate and precise quantitation. We have the ability to do MALDI imaging with the transmit source, which can fit on both the Q Exactive as well as the Exploris. We have the ability, since we manufacture both ion chromatography and mass spectrometry, to do ICMS in cases where you have very polar molecules that you need to separate with IC, coupled with mass spectrometry. We have both single quad and triple quad GCMS, in addition to high resolution accurate mass Orbitrap GCMS. And all of these are controlled in the same instrument control software. So if you sit down on any of these instruments, the software will look the same. We have the ability to do sample preparation or different types of sampling for GC with robotic sample handling. And then on the trace elemental side, we have atomic absorption spectroscopy, AA, ICP-OS, inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectroscopy, and then ICP-MS, both single and triple quad. We have the ability to interface both IC, ion chromatography, and HPLC to ICP-MS in what's commonly called speciation, as talked about earlier. We can do this with a simple hardware connection, being that we are the manufacturer of all the instruments in this particular system, single control software, and integrated data analysis. So why Thermo? Benefits of single vendor solution, expansive portfolio of instrumentation, integrated hyphenated techniques such as ICMS, ICP-MS, GC, ICP-MS, integrated software solutions, and efficient centralized service and scientific support. And anyone that's been to ASMS always get asked where the Lego kits. They didn't come in time, but if you provide me your email, I have a raffle going on so far. I have 5 available and only 2 people have entered, so the chances of winning are high. This is my contact information here. So thank you very much.